Good evening, Vanakkam. It's really a moment of pride and honor to welcome all those who have come here for this closing and awards function of the 22nd Chennai International Film Festival. His Excellency Mr. Shali Salahin, Deputy High Commissioner Bangladesh, Mr. Richard Chen, Director General of Taipei Economic and Cultural Office, Mr. Mohammad Reza Faisal, Director of the Iran Culture House, Mumbai, Mr. Racha Aribag, Consul General of Thailand, Mr. Sopan Deshaprema, Deputy High Commissioner Sri Lanka, Mr. Alexander Dodonov, Director of Russian Cultural Center, Mr. Sharavana Kumar, Consul General of Malaysia, Mr. Hisamuddin bin Mustafa, Director Tourism Malaysia, Chennai, South India and Sri Lanka. Besides this, we have our own film fraternity, big personalities, Mr. Murali Ramaswamy, President of Tamil Film Chambers Council, Film Producers Council, I don't know whether he has, Mr. T. Shiva of Active Producers Council, Mr. Selvamani, President of FEPSI, for extending his support, Mr. Nasir, the great actor whom we all know, yes, Mr. Bhagyaraj, great director who has been with us in every festival, Mr. R.V. Uday Kumar, President of Directors Union, Mr. Karthik Raja of South India Film Cinematographers Association, SICA. Then Mr. Katagara Prasad, our great friend and supporter from the Film Chamber. These are the people whom I would like to invite them, and all the other members of the jury, both international and the Tamil jury, and the dignitaries who are sitting off the dais. Great pleasure to be here to welcome all of you. As you know, we have conducted this festival successfully for the 22nd time, and many good departures have happened in this festival. First and foremost, I would like to thank the Honorable Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu for again extending their financial support and moral support to this festival. They have given 85 lakh rupees, and the minister himself was here for inauguration. I thank them heartfully. There is one more good news, is that NFDC has also extended financial support to this festival for the first time. So the central government has also come into picture. Our own Mr. L. Murugan from Tamil Nadu, who is a minister in the center, has played a very, very positive and supportive role in giving this grant to this festival. And I'm sure these amounts will grow in years to come. And along with it, we should also grow and make the festival bigger and better. Now, as usual, the screening of all the 150 odd films took place. As I said in the inaugural address, the films are best in the world. About 50 odd international films were seen. We had a red carpet screening also, 12 films, and all went full. The support and the enthusiasm with which the film buffs of Chennai received these films was amazing. We had the Indian panorama and the Tamil films. The happy part about Tamil films is many of you would have seen them, but again they come and watch it in the festival with as if they are going to see it for the first time. And the happiness and enthusiasm with which they see is so very infectious. And all the Tamil films were received so well. There were master class and master talk. The directors themselves were present in most of the films in master talk, and they came and interacted with the people who came to watch the film. A extraordinary treat for film buffs, because rarely we can come across interacting directly with the directors and sometimes the actresses also. This is something which was received very well, and on the whole, the festival went off very well, and whatever commotion happens in the festival, it shows that people are not getting seats. And if people are not getting seats in the festival, means the festival is good. There are festivals in which people sit in the steps and watch film, but of course, due to some security reasons, they don't allow here. But otherwise, in big festivals also, the movies which are in great demand, is the theater will always be full. So now coming to the awards thing, you have seen the jury. There will be awards for the international films. Then there will be awards for the Tamil films. And there's a big lineup of awards, and we will see the big people of Tamil film who will be called upon to receive the awards. International films, of course, I don't know whether the real cast and crew will be available here, but on behalf, somebody will receive. So on the whole, this was a good festival. Positive developments were involvement of both Tamil Nadu and the central government, which we think will continue in bigger way next year onwards. I thank each one of you who came and enjoyed the festival, and we will try to deliver a bigger and better festival next year. Thank you.
Vanakkam. As a festival director of the 22nd Chennai International Film Festival, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the Honorable Chief Minister, Thiru M.K. Stalin, and Deputy Chief Minister, Sri Udayinidhi Stalin, for their steadfast support in making this festival a success. I thank the Honorable Minister for Tamil Development, Information and Publicity, Mr. M.P. Saminathan, and Mr. Rajaram, Secretary for the Government of Tamil Nadu, Development and Information, Mr. Vaidyanathan, Director, Government of Tamil Nadu, Tamil Development and Information, and Mr. Anbu Chelian, Additional Director, Tamil Development and Information, Government of Tamil Nadu. They have been a great support to us in elevating the level of the festival to greater heights. We are deeply grateful to the Government of India for recognizing Chennai International Film Festival for the first time in 22 years. It's a history for us, and providing us grant to support us through National Film Development Corporation. A special thanks to our Honorable Minister for State of Information and Broadcasting, Mr. L. Murugan, Secretary Sanjay Jaju, and everyone in the ministry, and NFDC Managing Director Pritul Kumar for recognizing Chennai International Festival after all these years. We thank the Office of Bombay, Mr. Ramakrishnan and Gauri Nair, for working constantly with us to get this done. Thank you so much to the Government of the Government of India to have recognized us after all these years as a festival. This year, Chennai Festival has been benefited by a support of a lot of partnering nations whose embassies, consulates, and cultural organizations have been a part of this global dimension to this festival. We sincerely thank them. Our cultural partners for this festival, country partner is Iran Cultural Center, Mumbai. We have a representative from there who is here with us, and they have been working constantly with us. Thank you so much to Iran. Consulates that supported us, Russian Center of Science and Culture. They have given us movies, the latest of movies which released in Moscow, came here and it played here, and we thank them a lot. CG has been really supporting us. Russian CG has been supporting us to a great extent, and we have a very, very good relationship with Russia. Thank you so much. Taipei Economic and Cultural Center, Chennai. We have Mr. Richard over here. Thank you very much for the support that you give us, sir. Thank you so much. Max Miller Bhavan, Chennai, a big supporter to us. We had the first film exclusively for women, which was screened, and it went full. It was a house-full show, exclusively screened for women, that I could not even enter the theater and honor our guests. Alliance Francaise Chennai, Australian Consulate. So these are the consulates from Chennai which supported us. And the embassies from New Delhi. Embassy for Spain to Republic of India, New Delhi. Embassy for the Republic of Slovenia to the Republic of India, New Delhi. Embassy of Hungary to the Republic of India, New Delhi. Embassy of Slovak Republic to the Republic of India, New Delhi, and Embassy of Peru to the Republic of India. They had supported us with a whole host of films. Thank you so much to all the consulates. We have this year had over 100 films from 50 countries, including those showcased at Cannes, Venice, Berlinale, Karlovy, and Toronto. We had the best of movies in the Varna bouquet. This year we had 12 films in World Cinema category and 4 films in non-competition category, 12 for competition and 4 for non-competition. The Indian Panorama session, supported by National Film Development Corporation, with a special mark to Mr. Ramakrishnan and Gauri Nair for supporting us constantly in getting us films. There were boxes that came in from Bombay with films. Thank you so much, Gauri, for supporting us through the process. The edition is enormous response to the Tamil competition category with 50 films submitted, and 16 of them were selected for competition and screened, and 8 films were screened in Tamil film as sidebar category. These are international terminologies. We have also organized master classes and by eminent filmmakers and introduced master talks for the first time ever in Film Festival, where we had directors who are all present over here, who themselves shared their views, their experiences, and their thoughts of how they made that film. And we had a wonderful segment of Cinebuff students and various aspects interacting with them. Very, very emotional, very, very heartrending, and full of claps in the auditorium. Thank you very much to all the technicians and directors who took part in this. For the first time, we had over 1,000 students coming from 20 colleges across Tamil Nadu, bringing in a crowd to watch our movies. We are proud to have had the maximum crowd of the students born in the millennium after 2000, making this festival a very youthful festival. We are trying to increase the strength of the student crowd over the years. We had 6,000 delegates from various categories watching our films, which is the highest in Chennai International Festival's history. We have had the biggest footfall ever. We would like to thank our partners for signing MOUs. A special thanks to Avicii College of Arts and Science in organizing master classes, conversation sessions, Ethraj College for Women by Mr. Mike Muralidharan, who has supported us completely in this festival, Hindustan College of Arts and Science for their very invaluable support in promoting film education to student participants in festivals. We thank our film bodies, education institution, our state government in making this festival a grand success. We would like to thank one and all who had worked with us to make this festival a grand one. I'd like to place in order that the 23rd Chennai International Festival will be held between 11th and 18th of December 2025. So this is my report. I'd like to thank my team and my colleagues I'd like to thank my associates of the trade bodies. A special mention to Murli Ramaswamy for being with us. Of course, he has not come here today. He said he will get back a little later, of the Producers Council. We'd like to thank Mr. Siva, the Secretary of Active Producers Council. Thank you very much, sir. A whole lot of producers were here watching movies and walking around the corridor. Thank you very much. My heartfelt thanks to Mr. Selva Mani. He's not present, he's in the US, for supporting FEFC, through FEFC employees to come over here and facilitate the show. My thanks to Mr. Nazir for facilitating the movement of actors through Nadigar Sangam. Thank you very much, sir. We had a lot of actors walking in and out of this auditorium. We seek more coming in the coming years, sir. Thank you so much, sir. A very big thanks to my director, to our AVM director, Mr. R.V. Uday Kumar, President of Directors Union. Thank you, sir. For enrolling many directors, he made sure that they come and watch the movies. And we had a lot of interactions for the last 6 months, of course, on the telephone. And thank you so much for supporting this initiative of ours, sir. Thank you so much. Sir, this is the first time where we have with us the Writers Union. Thank you, Mr. Bhagiraj, for supporting us. We have never had writers coming here before. This is the first time. Yesterday I met Pattukote Prabhakar. There were people walking in and out of the corridor. They were all so busy, they're coming into the coffee shop, having and going out. It was wonderful watching all technicians walk in and walk out. I'd also like to express my gratitude to Mr. Karthik Raja, the South Indian Sika, for supporting this event, cinematographers. We have a lot of cinematographers who have attended this event. My sincere thanks to the Editors Union as well, where we had a lot of editors come in and go. Thank you so much. So we'd also like to thank my personal friend, Mr. Karthik Prasad, for supporting us on behalf of Film Chamber. More than anything else, he's my distributor. When I produced Telugu films, he was my distributor. Our relationship goes a very long way. Thank you very much. Thank you for all the support and motivation you always give me, sir. Thank you, sir. I would like to thank my committee over here at this point of time. Because without my committee, I cannot go ahead. I'd like to first thank my president, Mr. Sivan Kannan, for any time I would make him a call. It could be late night, early morning, and he is there. Solunga, sir. And very sweetly, I just talked to him, Pandinga, sir. That's it. So thank you very much to my president and my vice president, Mr. Anand, who both of them had curated the red carpet. Okay. It was a grandeur with the support of Mr. Sedulakshmi and Ms. Sedulakshmi and Parth Sarthi. The red carpet drew in a lot of attention. The designs of the brochure and cards were beautifully made, which look like souvenirs. It is the first time that Chennai International Festival had such souvenir-like tickets coming in. And taking over the red carpet to the next level, our festival was taken to the next level. Thank you very much, President, for having done this. I'd like to say a few words about Mr. Suresh Menon, who had single-handedly managed Inox. It was not an easy event to manage an entire theatre with a crowd, but he had completely managed the entire auditorium. He seems to be a hero. Mr. K.B. Kumar, he was in charge of Satyam and he did all the registrations. So thank you very much, Mr. K.B. Kumar. One of our members who's unwell, who has been sending his wishes, is Mr. Budget Loganathan. We thank him very much and we update him on a regular basis. Now coming to my core team, I couldn't have done this festival without a team. I had a team, and I'm not an individual who did anything. I was only supervising an entire team. My primary people who were in my core team, I'd like to introduce Professor Abhinaya and Mr. Prakash. Yes. From the month of March, we started planning what to do. We wanted to do it without any hitches. And then we worked on it. We had several rounds of meeting. The last month, they have not gone home or slept, I think. We were constantly working because we were new to festival thing, and then we wanted to do the best of it. And we had a destination for this festival. So we had to work with certain parameters where we wanted to take our standards higher and higher and higher. Of course, the president and the vice president want us to move forward, and we've been moving forward. Thank you, both of you, for my support and working tirelessly through day and night. Madhushri, who has been, where is she? Yes. She is new to the whole thing, but she was doing the entire communication. When she joined the job, I told her last year, Mr. Santanam, our curator, said that he had watched 200 films. I told her we'll have to get him to watch 200 films. She gave him 250 films. At one point of time, Podumanapa, he said. So that is what she had done. Thank you very much. Mr. Ram Saranan, he's somewhere in the crowd. He does not associate himself. He had done the complete backing of working with all the coordination with the government agency. The licensing with all the agency was done by him. Mrs. Srilata had done my complete management of accounts. Our entire aspect of it was planned. Everything, budgets were done, and we had been doing it, reporting to the management and doing it to the committee and doing it. Mr. Prakash, along with Harish, Murli, Kumar, have been doing the accreditation and delegate registration. We'd like to introduce Hayat, our designer, who had done, if you had seen the entire change, scenario change with our websites, everything, it's Hayat, and it is John Livingston who manages the system of doing it. These two youngsters changed the look and feel of Chennai International Festival. Our logos have been changed, everything has been changed, and we've been working since then continuously. Thank you very much to the youngsters. Prem Nivas is in charge of the festival book editor. We had once again given a new look to the festival book. I'd like to have the most important thing is curation of this festival. I found people running from one screen to another screen to another screen to another screen. This is what has happened in the past. All you directors would have come to the festival in the early years. But then this year we made people run. Watch one film, go to another film. Watch one film, go to another film. For that, we needed a curation. And we have the best and the finest curator in this country, Mr. Santanam, who's seated among us. I think he needs a big applause for all of you for what he has done. Wonderful work, sir. Thank you so much. He had a team of Mr. Murli, Mr. Prem Nivas, Ms. Kavi Bharati, and Siddharth Maulik, who's from Delhi. Mr. Murli was seated over there. Together, each one of them had watched all the 250 films which arrived. And out of that, we picked up the best. All we wanted to do was to have the best films coming in Chennai, which we have done. And that's what I spoke to him. Thank you very much, Mr. Santanam, for providing this to us. Thank you so much. You know, hospitality is a major area of our aspect. Mr. Murli is a gentleman who took care of hospitality completely. We have people coming in, going out, hotels. It's a huge event, you know, when we have it. Single-handedly, along with Madhu, he had handled the complete hospitality. Thank you very much. Then regarding scheduling, you know, when we have 177 slots of watching movies, and we have 135 movies, and we had every movie to be watched, scheduling is a major aspect. We had Mr. Santanam and Pradeep who did Mr. Santanam, of course. Both of them had done the scheduling to the T. If there's any changes, we had a lot of consulates calling us in the last minute, calling me, and I had to call them up, sir, Junga first day varnundraanga, second day varnundraanga. To adjust one film, we have to adjust 10 films. And then they come and sit with me, then he'll go sit with Mr. Santanam, and that was how to do. It's a massive work. Thank you so much to both of you. Then, the most important aspect is, how did we get the 70 films? We had a team to do it. We had Mr. Pradeep heading the team, along with Deepak Christopher, Sham, Raghavendran, Raja, Bharatwaj, Karthik Bharani, and Puranjay. So all of them had sat together. They started in the third week of November, and they managed to get all the films, 135 films ready, and then taken to Cube and processing done, put in the theaters, and morning, night. See, I'm from the media, films. So I used to get messages, sir, in the problem, adu. So being in the exhibition area, I was aware of their problems. I supported them. We had downloaded several films several times to get it, and we had the best of projections. One or two glitches were there, but other than that, yes, we had the best. We had films coming from 50 countries, some of the countries where internet speed was very slow. So we had to work overnight, 2 days, 3 days, and then do these films. Thank you so much to my team. Then a very important person over here who I have to talk about, who's from my organization, who started his career with my father, and he's there, Mr. Nikhil Murugappa. He and his team, anything Nikhil, I call him, he is there. He is my master of ceremonies, he does my publicities, he does everything for me. He's a well-known man, and he is from the AVM group. He started his career over here. Then I must thank my hero, Umair. Where is he? Who did all the... Yes? He's there. He's a big hit today. Girls are running behind him. He's our anchor today. And he's just become famous overnight after Amarat. He's a Kashmiri who speaks Tamil. He has learned Tamil, and he's a Kashmiri who did all his anchoring in Tamil. Thank you. We had a huge crowd other than this. My total strength of people were 100, close to 100. See, I just want to scroll it and run fast so that they feel happy because they have put day and night of work. I request you to bear with me when I read their names because it took them a lot of effort. There are so many volunteers, so many people taking care of different departments. We have done a massive planning for this, like to do the festival. The education team of Avicii College of Arts and Science, Sumaya Faradeen, Bharani Karthik, Ashfina, Sultana, Ovia, they had done a part of it. Ethraj College, Rashida, Subaru, Harita, Jennifer, Bisni, John, Kurolovia, Kavya, Kartika, Mahima, Singha, Lakshanika. See, the entire designing finally were so large in numbers that I thank Mr. Mike for sending the entire girls from Ethraj to do the banners. We wanted to bring the variety, but we had hundreds of them to do, and we had a very short time. So those girls were working overtime in our college and doing it. So thank you very much, Mr. Mike, for that. Student volunteers came in from Avicii College of Arts and Science, Ethraj College, and Hindustan College of Arts and Science. Thank you to the three colleges. Our partners, I will have to mention their names. PVR Inox, the venue partner. Thank you very much for all the support. This is the fourth year we are doing with them. And I think we share a great rapport and relationship. Only thing is they're very clear as far as what to do, what not to do. If we exceed the limit, yes, they're clear, they tell us not to do it. Other than that, yes, they've been great hosts to us. Thank you so much, PVR. Tamil Film Producers Council, thank you for all the support. Then Tantis, thank you so much for the support. South India Artists Association, thank you very much for the support, sir. FIFC, yes. And Tamil Active Producers Association, once again, thank you for the support and all that. We then have Paytm Insider, who is one of our partners who has been supporting us in this event. Big FM was our radio partner who's been covering this constantly. And we had our programs going constantly. This is the first time we have gone in on radios. And from morning to evening, they were doing programs when we were here. And every program of ours is covered by them. The Savera Group of Hotels is our partner in hospitality. KNP app is now has become very popular. They are our digital partners. CubeWire, we thank Mr. Jayendra and Sendil for supporting us and linking us with the world to get all our software for all our film contents from world over. Ustream of Mr. Rahman is another partner of ours who's partnered with us. Our college partners is, of course, Dr. Booma of Avicii College. Then we have with us the chairman, Mr. V.N. Muralidharan, and the principal, Srimati S. Uma Gauri of Ethraj College of Arts and of Ethraj College of Women, and then Dr. D. Utra, principal of Hindustan College of Arts and Science. I'd like to thank Ragini, our events manager. I know her for a very long time, from a very young age, and she's been very supportive. She's one of Chennai's biggest event managers. She does, she started off with the chess for the CM. Until today, she does all the programs for CM and DCM. Thank you, Ragini. DT Next, a special mention to be done to them. They are Chennai's second largest newspapers. They've been covering our news on a daily basis on a full page. And we had a massive reach with them. Thank you so much to DT Next. Our bankers are Union Bank, and they had done the best deals for us. Thank you so much, Union Bank. Food partners were Dovton Cafe, Sangeeta Vegetarian Restaurant, Sangeeta Desi Mane, Hotel, Guest Hotel, Triple S Institute. See, these people gave us lunch for all the volunteers. We had over 100 volunteers. Huh? Dovton Cafe, yes. Dovton Cafe was another one of those. Yes, they had supplied food for all the volunteers. Thank you very much. We had Mr. Dhanraj Tyagarajan, our technical crew, who was covering the entire program all the time. We had a team working on it. Dinesh, Venkatesh G, Venkatesh A, Ebenezer, Ishwar, Gomati, Ravikaran, Lokeshwaran, Marshall, Subhash, N.A. Lokesh, Abhi, Prakash Raj, Varkesh Babu, Arvind, Vaishal, Sarvana, Roshan, and Shyam Gokul. We had a whole lot of them coming and doing the programs for us. Thank you so much. The technical crew of volunteers from Hindustan College of India of Arts and Science were Mohammad Yasin, Brighton AB, Balamurgan S, Elakia. Merlin Claire did the designing, a crew in charge with Sharmili. Dr. Prem Nivas had this team of content done. This is just the last page, I'll just finish off. Madesh, Gomati, Sumaya, Fareen, Ashifa, Sultana, Surya Nivas. I would also like to thank Dr. Rajalakshmi and Suganti, the hospitality team, and Dr. G. Gajalakshmi and Lalita and the cultural coordination team, and Sundar, Rajula and Bonesh on the guest coordination team. Renuka Devi for felicitation. We'd also like Arun Kumar, Shaktivel, Subhash for coordinating volunteers and ventures. Certificate mementos, Christy, Josephine and Prabhavati. CG coordination, Namita and Selvaraj and Selvi. Invitation coordination, Deepa Sri. And Nina, Ovia and Anjana. Yes, I am sorry we missed out Mr. Sarvana Kumar, sir. My good friend, yes, sir. Since you joined a little late, yes, the name was missed out. Yes, thank you very much. I'd like to mention here, we'd also like to bring upon us, there are two people who did the curation of master classes and master talks, Mr. Sundar and Rex. Where's Rex? Getting people from the industry, the busiest of people from the industry is not a very easy thing, and thank you very much, Sundar, for facilitating it. Last but not the least, I would like to have somebody come up to the dais. I request him at least, Mr. Tangaraj. What we have every day and what everybody loves to have. So we want to have this festival, and for that, we definitely need the support of Tamil film industry. So what has happened in this festival is, with the increase of Tamil films, it's not the footfall that we had of the locals alone. We want to bring in people outside India to start coming and watching Tamil films over here. So that is the idea, so that it's, these films do release there, but when it's a festival, they come and see it with a different notion. So that is the idea behind it. We want to increase the footfall in Southeast Asia completely, where we are working, where we'll be working in the next year, and take it to one greater heights. That's my destination of this festival. The other thing, what I'm looking at in this festival is the next generation. We all came in from being from somewhere in the village, or it could have been a student, or you could have been somewhere. But you are all achieved it here. What I want to do is to get many more people like you come here and then develop themselves. So that's the reason we have been doing the master classes, master talks by all these masters like Mr. Mari Selvaraj and Mr. Rab, everybody, Rasarvanan and Mr. Paranjit, drew in crowds. They were heroes today. I'm just not, see, today it's not the days of heroes. These directors are heroes. And Tamil has got such people today. I'm very proud of all of you. We want to take you to a level, See, everybody mentioned, sir, நாங்கள் ஒரு நாளைக்கு கஷ்டப்பட்டு அந்த சென்னை ஃபெஸ்டிவலில் படம் பார்த்தோம். இன்னைக்கு நாங்கள் இங்கே வந்து மாஸ்டர் டாக்ஸ் பண்ணுறோம் அப்படின்னாங்க. So this is what we want a student sitting there also to benefit. I'm very, very particular. See, we all came out for the industry. Now I felt it's a time to give back to the industry. So that's what I'm doing right now, targeting the next generation. The maximum crowd that we got is close to 1,000 students from the various colleges of Chennai who are doing Viscom. They're all students born after 2024. 2002, 5, 6. So 20-year-old children are coming here with the idea, I could be somebody in cinema tomorrow. So that is what we are targeting, and we had a huge footfall over there with that. I thank you all for coming and supporting Chennai International Film Festival. I want all of you to come back to the theaters and start watching movies. We'll bring you more. We bought the best this time with curation with Mr. Santanam, the best of movies. Today I was surprised about 6 or 7 films that we screened here are going for the Oscars. So the idea behind it is we want to give you the best. Thank you so much. And enjoy the evening after this with the festival going on. Thank you very much.